In this tutorial, you'll learn how to connect your dispensary's metric compliance tracking to WeedHurry. We'll walk through entering your API credentials, testing the connection, choosing a reporting mode, and then tour the Compliance Center where you'll monitor your compliance health day to day. From the sidebar, go to Settings, then click the Compliance tab. Notice the blue banner at the top. It tells you which location you're configuring. If you have multiple locations, use the location switcher in the sidebar to change locations. Each location has its own separate metric credentials. When you first arrive, you'll see your location name, city, and state, along with a Not Configured status. Click the Configure button on the right side to begin entering your metric credentials. Before saving, always click Test Connection. WeedHurry will send a test API call to Metric using your state, license number, and API key. If you see a green success message, your credentials are correct. If it fails, double-check your API key and license number. The most common issue is a copy-paste error with extra spaces. Next, choose your reporting mode. You have two options. 1. Immediate, after each sale. The default immediate mode reports every sale to Metric the moment the transaction completes. This is the safest option and keeps you in real-time compliance. 2. End of day, batch reporting. End-of-day mode queues your sales and sends them all to Metric at a scheduled time. This is useful for high-volume shops that want to reduce API calls during business hours. With end-of-day reporting, transactions will show a pending EOD status until the batch report runs. If you choose end-of-day, set your preferred report time. We recommend a time after your store closes, like 11 p.m. Keep in mind that transactions will show pending EOD status until the batch runs. Your compliance settings are now saved and active. Notice the view now shows your metric badge, license number, state, and reporting mode at a glance. Now let's visit the Compliance Center. Click Compliance in the sidebar. This is your real-time compliance monitoring dashboard. Metric status shows your live connection. Green means connected and operational compliance score is your overall rating. Aim to keep this at 95% or above. Failed reports shows how many metric submissions need attention. Click it to jump to the Failed Reports tab. Inventory issues flags any discrepancies between your POS inventory and metric records. Below the stat cards, you can see a breakdown of your metric inventory sync. Available packages ready to import, products already imported, any critical negative quantities, and when the last sync occurred. The Inventory Issues tab shows a detailed breakdown of any discrepancies. The table lists each product, its metric quantity versus your POS quantity, and the difference. Click Adjust on any row to correct the discrepancy. Use the Refresh Analysis button to recheck. If you see a red critical alert for negative quantities, address those immediately. They're compliance violations. That's it. Your metric compliance is now connected and you have a full monitoring dashboard. Remember, each location needs its own credentials, and always test your connection before saving. In the next video, we'll cover navigating the dashboard. Thanks for watching.